Okay guys, today I would like to show you the new cruise control unit from LSK Electronics for the Tenere 2025 year with electronic throttle. Yeah. So first you get with the cruise control is the same functionality as we offer in our off-road dongle. So with short push you will toggle between the rear ABS off and traction control off and everything on. And if you hold the ABS button for 1 second, it completely turns the ABS system and the traction system off. Yeah. Now to the cruise control. Yeah. Okay guys, the cruise control. Yeah. If you hold this button, the mode button, for a while, you will see this confirmation. With this confirmation that the cruise control was started. Yeah. And now it is going on the cruise control. Yeah. If you want to increase the speed from some reason, you can do it with throttle. It will increase the speed, and when you release it, it will return you to previous set point. Yeah. If you want to change your set point a bit, you can do it with this button. You can push the up arrow, and you can slightly increase or decrease the speed. When you release it, it will store the actual speed. Yeah. The same with down button. Yeah. It is downhill here, but you will see the speed is slowly decreasing. Yeah. And when you release it, it will hold the actual speed. Yeah. Okay. When you want to, I will increase the speed a bit and cancel the cruise control by brake. Yeah. Okay. When you want to return to set point, you can do it by up arrow. It will start the cruise control. Yeah. And return you to the set point. Yeah. To the previous set point. So if you want to turn the cruise control off, you can, for example, change the gear, just like this. It will turn it off, or I will return to the set point, yeah, to the previous speed. Or, for example, you can push the rear brake, which I do now. Rear brake, it will turn it off. We'll start it again. There's a corner, so I'm on brake. Front brake, also turn it off. So that's it. It is our solution, and I know you will like it as me.